कोई miracle हुआ है आपकी life में? I think a big miracle was how the way Baba saved my son Ayush's life. Okay. Because he had gone for a party and he was driving back. He was in a Range Rover, which touchwood is a very strong car. He was driving back. He was on the highway, and suddenly one speeding truck in front of him just stopped out of the blue, and that stopped and his Range Rover banged into the car. This was around, I think, 4 or 5 in the morning, because Diwali days were on and Diwali parties were on, and he was alone in the car. And when I had got up, because I get up for the Murli around, like, I leave the house around 6:15. When I was leaving, I had noticed his car is not there. I had tried to call him, but his phone was unavailable, and I just left for the Murli. Manoj was there, and then he was informed, because in the car, because the mobiles are locked, and nobody knew the passcode, and the car was registered in our organization's name, and by chance the store manager's number was fed in. So the person who was helping him found that person's number, gave him a call, and he in turn called Manoj that he's in the hospital, please rush. Tab tak I was already in Murli, PD was conducting the Murli, and I was already at the center. What had happened was that when his car banged, it was early in the morning. Again, I was with Baba, I was secure, I was listening to his words, but because if I have surrendered to him, then it becomes his problem. No? I have surrendered to him, so it's Paramatma's problem to take care of everybody around me and my family. An angel, his name was Aman, one young guy, he was going to run the marathon, so he was going in his car, and he noticed that Ayush's car had, the airbags were out, and Ayush was stuck in the car, and another couple, probably if it was me, I wouldn't have done what they did. It was such a huge thing. Abhishek and his wife. Now the wife had her CA exam. She was going to take a flight to Pune, and this was on the national highway from Gurgaon to the airport. And he had to drop her to the airport, and she had to give her exam for her appearance in her CA, which is a very big thing. When there is a flight and you see something happening, you don't really stop a car, because the flight would be missed and her career was at stake. He had that angel who got sent. He stopped his car. So together, Aman and Abhishek, they tried to pull him out of the car with great difficulty. And the earbags इतने फंसे हुए थे that एक बंदा निकाल ही नहीं सकता था. They took him out of the car, and the moment that he was totally zoned out. And they even managed to take his watch and his wallet from the boot. The moment they took him out of the car, the whole car burst into flames. So it was like, again, something which, it was that split second. If they hadn't stopped the car, if they hadn't noticed, because they could see that fumes are coming out of the car, and there was nobody else on the road, the truck had hit his car and just vanished. There was no one. The highway and hardly anybody is there on the roads. Now these two angels from God, they just managed to put him, and because Abhishek had to drop his wife, he requested Aman to ja isko hospital mein choda, and they exchanged numbers to ensure that Ayush is safe. Now Aman, and they both decided, acha Medanta mein chhod de, paas hai Gurgaon mein. And somewhere when Aman was driving him to Medanta, I don't know why, what intuition he had, that he turned and he dropped Ayush to Max. And again, he couldn't contact any of us, because they didn't have any, they couldn't unlock his phone, they couldn't do anything. And see, again, I feel him being in Max was another God's doing, because that group, who all of us are together with Sister Shivani and this is, they're all, half of them are Max doctors. So from taking him to Medanta to suddenly turning into Max, one of my closest friends, Sadhana Rajat, Rajat is was the CEO of Max Chain at that time. Now he's shifted to healthcare. They were with me. They generally used to pick me up for the Murli, so we were always together. And half the people who really takes this group is all doctors of Max. So as soon as the Murli finished, then, because it was in the basement that time center, the network nahi aata tha. As soon as I just went up to check with Manoj, pata chala, has Ayush come back home? Then he shared with me, he's in Max right away. So immediately with Rajat and Satna, we rushed to Max. And because Rajat was well connected, we could quickly handle everything and get his good care taken. Now, even in that journey, when I knew that, it was that split second where God saved him, I was touched with still very calm. Manoj was totally devastated, my husband. He was crying. Mom had come by that time. Mom was crying because it was a nightmare of what could have happened immediately. But somewhere I think I just managed to stay calm. And I think that calmness comes from the gyan. Because you're so sure that Paramatma is just there for you.
Yeah.
But baad mein Didi shared. In fact, Mount Abu also, she made me share this experience. And Didi shared with everybody that all the doctors were saying, "Ki mom hai. How can a mother be so collected and cool?" I stayed with them all through. I didn't go back home at all. In the ICU also, because I knew these people, so I was allowed to even sleep in the ICU with them. All through, I just stayed with them. But because I feel I was composed, I was able to take care of him and be strong enough to nurture him back to health. Because it was challenging for him also, all that he had to go through after that. And just being in Gyan automatically gives you the strength of being able to overcome challenges. Because you know, he's there. उनकी प्रॉब्लम है ना, मेरी थोड़ी है. मैं उनके पास थी तो उनकी प्रॉब्लम है ना. अपने आप करेंगे, जो भी करना ठीक करेंगे.
In fact, while you were sharing this story, मुझे अपनी story याद आ गई. In case you have 5 minutes, I want to share. मेरा school trip था. So I was 13-year-old that time. My mom was very scared कि इसको अकेले नहीं भेजना, but I was very stubborn कि मुझे जाना है सब friends के साथ. I was 13-year-old. We went to Kullu Manali. And my mom had instructed all my teachers कि इसका हमेशा हाथ पकड़ के रखना, कहीं पे भी अकेले नहीं छोड़ना देते इसको.
You are naughty child.
I was very naughty. So I was just waiting कि मेरी टीचर कब हाथ छोड़ेगी और मैं भाग जाऊंगी. So my teacher went to washroom for 2 minutes and I vanished. And I was, we were on a mountain and my teacher told us कि सबको नीचे जाना है. तो हम नीचे जा रहे हैं. अब टीचर और सारा ग्रुप एक साथ है और मैं कहीं और चली गई क्योंकि मुझे टीचर के साथ नहीं जाना था. और वो जो
डम्बा टेम्पल
नहीं वो जो एक्चुअल में जो पहाड़ी लोग होते हैं उनका रास्ता होता है बहुत छोटा सा जाने का. तो मैं उधर से चली गई और बाकी सब ग्रुप जो था वो जो सीमेंटेड रोड है वहां से जा रहे थे. तो वहां से बीच में एक स्टोन आया विच वॉज वेरी स्लांट एंड आई वॉज टाइनी. अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मैं यहाँ से नीचे कैसे जाऊँ. अब मैं दोबारा ऊपर भी नहीं जा सकती बिकॉज इट वॉज स्टीप एंड बहुत दूर था. तो अब मैं 1 घंटे से चल रही हूँ.
मैं अकेली भाग गई हूँ.
मैंने नहीं सोचा. एंड आई वॉज विद वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स. वो भी छोटा था. सो हिज नेम वॉज भावक. वो भी साथ में था मेरे और हम दोनों कहीं तो वहां पे स्टीप स्टोन पे लाके स्टक हो गए कि अब क्या करें. एंड द मिरेकल हैपेंड. आई स्टिल गेट गूज़बम्प्स. नोबडी बिलीव्स दिस. 2 लोग आए पीछे से. दे वर एंजल्स ओनली. दे कैरीड अस. हम दोनों को उठाया. उसने स्टीप स्टोन से नीचे रखा एंड दे वर जस्ट झाड़ देते हैं अपने कपड़े झाड़ रहे थे और जैसे हमें देखा they were not there and they vanished. Maybe वो जल्दी से चले गए या कहीं तो चले गए, ऊपर चले गए, नीचे चले गए, but we
dangers are there.
We cannot get away. So it still gives me goosebumps and nobody believes कि ऐसा हो सकता है. But I think
I believe in it totally.
I would do you have anything कि मुझे ये सेटअप करना है so that एक लेगेसी छोड़ के जाऊँ मैं अपने साथ.
See, if you ask me that where I see Study by Janak, definitely now at this point of time today, I see us expanding more. I want our national presence to be stronger. I want to be known as the best fashion stores of India. My dream is that every groom aspires to be an SPJ groom and every bride aspires to be a WBJ bride. I really want our brand to be that well known and the aspiration value to be that high. And if you say legacy, I feel already Study by Janak is a legend, has a legend of its own. From a humble beginning of a small 1,600 square feet store when we started in 2086 to where we are today. It's already been 4 decades. So the legacy is already there, the brand recognition and value. People know Study by Janak. So there, Touchwood, God has been very, very kind. But to take it further and reach out, pan India, of course.